We all know that Twitter is a microblogging website. But did you know that there are over 500 million tweets that are posted every day on the platform? That would be around 334,000 tweets per minute. In short, the span of each tweet is super brief. By the time you come up with your own tweet and post it on the platform, you must already see there are certain tweets waiting to be refreshed that are posted by someone else, probably those people whom you're following, or maybe those hashtags whom you're following. The platform is where all the trending conversation takes place all over the world. Therefore, marketing on Twitter is something that you should really consider for your business, or if you are a freelancer, just learn everything about it so that you can help others and in return make some money. In this video, I'm going to cover the basics of Twitter marketing. I will also show you step by step how you can use Twitter for your marketing. So hang around and watch this video till the end. Hey guys, my name is Prit Zav. I create educational content for learners like you in sales and marketing. This channel is your best resource for everything sales and marketing. So do me a favor and like this video, subscribe to the channel, and make sure you share this video with at least 5 people who you think can benefit from this video. Okay, without much further ado, let's begin. The number one question that people ask when discussing Twitter marketing is, what is a Twitter business strategy? You see, as with any social media platform, your main objective on Twitter should be to target, engage, and convert your buyer personas. These are the people whom you want to sell to. With the proper social media strategy, you can increase your followers, increase your reach, and help your brand with awareness. Therefore, your plan should revolve around creating a robust content marketing strategy and distributing it all over Twitter and all other social media platforms. While you might think that Pritz, you just shared something which is very normal and very common strategy or advice for any social media platform, so what is so different about Twitter? What makes Twitter marketing unique? Unfortunately, there is no rocket science to it. Yes, you have to work around your strategy differently on different platforms because all the social media platforms are different, and hence your content posting strategy, your distribution strategy will vary, but the macros of the social media strategy will remain the same across all the platforms. I'm sorry to be such a spoiled sport, but this is true. Right, so the next pertinent question is that if everything is the same, if all the social media platforms have a similar strategy, how does Twitter stand out? Is there something unique about the platform? Well, Twitter says it's all about what's happening. It is a pulsating conversation platform where discussions on breaking news take place all over the world. Therefore, Twitter is a unique platform compared to its social media counterparts. Also, some of the notable ways you can use Twitter to your advantage are as follows. Point number 1, you can use Twitter to repurpose and redistribute your content. For example, let's say I have an Instagram account. I consistently post on the platform. I can use those posts, convert those posts in text, and use the same content on Twitter. Carousel posts are nothing but a collection of photos that are put together on a particular piece of content. I can really break the carousel post down and share, let's say, for example, 10 photos in 10 tweets over a period of 2 to 3 days. Point number 2. Do you remember a time when you actually were not happy with a certain service provider and you used the Twitter platform to vent out your venom? Well, a lot of us use Twitter to share our concerns about customer service on the platform. Generally, we have a belief that if we do not like something or we are not happy with the service provider, posting on Twitter about it will really help us get an answer ASAP. It will help us get a solution ASAP. Probably the CEO will tweet back, or probably someone senior from the company, or let's say customer service professionals will tweet back ASAP and help us resolve our challenges. And so I suggest that you can use Twitter for your customer service. You can use that platform to be prompt and answer the burning questions of people, or maybe solve customer complaints, or maybe even appreciate people's appreciation towards your products and services. Point number 3, use Twitter as a search engine tool. Well, that's right. You might be surprised and think, hey Pritz, Twitter is a social media platform and not a search engine. And so how can you perform searches on the platform? You see, being a text-based microblogging website, it becomes simpler for you to use the search terms to probably search or spy on your competition. You can use the platform to identify what's working and what's not working for your competition. And then you can replicate that success on your platform for your social media strategy, for your Twitter marketing purposes. Another thing to research on the platform is what's trending. Well, Twitter does give you a list of trending words on an everyday basis based on the country you are located in. I also suggest that you do your own research and find out trending keywords that are important for your market, for your products and services, for your industry. Once you've identified those trends, you can jump on the conversation and bring more visibility to your platform. For example, let's say hashtag iPhone 13 Pro is trending as of today, and I am an iPhone reseller based out of, let's say, India. I could be using that trend and create a few tweets for the next 2 to 3 days, and that will really help me to bring visibility to my platform. Probably that would bring more followers to me as well. If you're still with me and watching this video, do check out this digital marketing full free course. It is packed with value and I'm sure you'll love it. Okay, coming to the next question, how is Twitter used for marketing? If you want to use Twitter for your business as a marketing platform, follow these steps. Point number 1, optimize your profile and make sure it resonates with your brand identity across all the social media platforms. Be thoughtful about the name you choose for your Twitter handle. It should resonate with the products and services your business provides. Make it short, easy to remember, and self-explanatory. Point number 2, optimize your Twitter header image. Use the correct specifications, color for your Twitter header because that's the first thing people see when they visit your profile. The specs that you should use for your Twitter header image is 1500 by 500 pixels. If you need more help, don't worry, I will share with you in the comments section a link to the Twitter Help Center which will answer all of your questions. Point number 3, use a clear profile picture that represents your company. A lot of businesses also use their company logo or probably the face of the CEO, but however, make sure that your profile picture is consistent across all your social media platforms. I suggest keep it simple and professional. Point number 4, update your Twitter bio and make complete use of the 160 characters that the platform provides you to share your information about your company. Keep your bio to the point, short and sweet. Anyone who looks at your Twitter profile should tell at once or at a glance exactly what your company does. A lot of companies choose to be quirky or humorous here, so try your best to make a good impression. Now comes the crucial part. Point number 5, make sure that you add your website to your profile. By adding your website link to your Twitter profile, you will route all your traffic directly to your website. Point number 6, use Twitter ads. Well, this is a no-brainer. If you want to get results faster, advertising on any social media platform is suggested, and Twitter is no different in this regard. It is the fastest way to generate brand awareness and reach for your platform. Alternatively, you can also use Twitter ads to promote very specific tweets. That is point number 7, promoting your specific tweets and including links to your website that helps you to drive traffic to your website. This strategy really works if you want to send specific people to your website. Point number 7, use something known as Twitter lists. Imagine you are in the digital marketing space. You want to identify from time to time the leading conversations on Twitter from industry experts, from industry podcasters, from the top who's who influencers and movers and shakers from the digital marketing space, and you want that information on your feed on a regular basis. Now, by simply adding the relevant handles to your Twitter lists, you can get information at hand. You can get a customized view of information on your Twitter platform. That means instead of getting content from all over the place, all over the world, you get specific information that is relevant to your industry. Point number 8, go for the proverbial blue tick. Verification will really help you to stand out, create trust, and generate more leads, more followers, more trust, more brand awareness and reach for your platform. But I really suggest do not rush for your verification or the blue tick unless you have garnered a certain level of followers' interest on your platform. This brings us to the next question. How do you get your tweets noticed? You see, Twitter gives you 280 characters for each tweet. Earlier they used to give you 140 characters, but that has changed since. To make your every tweet a super tweet, follow these steps. The number 1 point that is really valid for all the social media platforms is to post consistently. If you're a new Twitter user, if you're still learning the Twitter game, or if you have a new business, your Twitter will take time to take off, just as any social media platform. Point number 2, make sure that you post at least 4 to 5 times in a day. You see, unlike platforms like Instagram where posting once or twice a day is just fine, or maybe a YouTube where posting once a week is fine, Twitter requires more attention. I've already said there are millions and millions of tweets that are posted on the platform every day, So you want to make sure that you come up with 4 to 5 tweets every day to get your due attention. Make sure that you check out for trends daily that are valid for your region that you live in. Jump on the bandwagon. Contribute to those trends by creating engaging tweets. Point number 4, use relevant hashtags in all your tweets. Also, make sure that you create 1 or 2 branded hashtags and use them consistently. Point number 5, make use of Twitter threads and post more valuable content regularly. If you do not know what Twitter threads are nothing but prolonged or extensions of information that you can use to provide value for your followers. Think of it as the equivalent of an Instagram carousel post. Point number 6, create incentive campaigns. What do I mean by this? Is create contests, giveaway, quizzes, questionnaires, and share all of those on the platform. Point number 7, cross-post across all your social media platforms. So for example, let's say you posted a tweet yesterday on the platform. You can now use that information, take a screenshot of that tweet and post it on Instagram as a quote. Point number 8, promote your Twitter profile across all the internet. For example, you could add your Twitter profile handle on your email signature and across the internet on all the digital assets that you share from time to time. Last but not the least, do not forget to use Twitter influencers to boost your profile and get more visibility. That's about it, guys. Now the ball is in your court. I want to know that what Twitter strategy have you used so far and has it worked for you or not? Share that in the comment section and let's discuss. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell icon. That way you will never miss new content coming out of my stable. I will catch you in the next one, and until then, Massalama.
Lit. Roll up to the party, roll up to the party, roll up to the party, roll up to the